It is 10 o'clock and good evening, everyone. I'm Brian Allen. Courtney Collin has the night off. It was no holiday in Springfield today after overnight storms with winds of more than 100 miles an hour hit the town, destroying 4 homes and damaging several others. Our continuing coverage is our 10 o'clock top story. All of it happened so very fast.
There was no big roar like you hear about engines or anything like that. It just hit, and it hit hard.
Carol Hagan says it was mere seconds between hearing the wind and realizing there was going to be some type of problem.
When it hit last night, there was a big loud boom and everything just went crazy.
Her home was damaged, and that story of damaged property is a common one on Springfield's south side.
I don't know, it's hard to comprehend everything right now. I don't know, it's hard to explain.
Madison Holland's house is also damaged, and hours after the storm came through, he was still at a loss to explain it.
I don't know, it's hard to explain. It's probably one of the scariest moments of my life.
His home sustained serious damage in this storm, which the National Weather Service says was not a tornado, but straight-line winds of 100 miles an hour and more. J.D. Johnston's home was damaged, and for a time, he and his family couldn't get out. When he did get out, he saw the damage to his home, and he saw more.
We lost our garage and everything that was in it.
And while the damage is tough to deal with, from the smallest problem to the largest, J.D. says he is trying to put all of this into some type of perspective.
As everybody's good. Nobody got hurt during this, a couple cut fingers, and that's all throughout the whole town.
There was no type of severe weather warning in effect for Springfield at the time of that storm. The National Weather Service says the storm intensified as it moved across the Missouri River from Nebraska into South Dakota, and that it intensified very, very quickly.